The Leica Q4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated camera releases in recent years, following the success of the beloved Q3. Though Leica has remained characteristically quiet about official specs, the buzz surrounding the next-generation compact full-frame camera is growing fast. Photographers are eager to see how Leica will merge its timeless design philosophy with cutting-edge technology, and early reports suggest some remarkable updates are on the horizon. At the core of the excitement lies the sensor, always the soul of any camera. There's growing speculation that Leica may introduce a stacked CMOS sensor in the Q4, a move that would dramatically elevate performance. A stacked sensor design could mean faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and potentially higher resolution, possibly around an impressive 64 megapixels. That's a noticeable leap from the Q3, promising images rich in detail, cleaner shadows, and smoother tonal transitions. Beyond the numbers, such a sensor could bring more fluid responsiveness, enabling photographers to capture fleeting moments with ease. Whether you're freezing action on a busy street or shooting in dimly lit interiors, that extra speed and sensitivity could make all the difference. Of course, Leica is likely to preserve the Q-line's signature look, natural, lifelike colors, and a smooth filmic rendering, while taking advantage of the latest sensor innovations to make every shot more dynamic and immersive. Autofocus performance is another area where expectations are sky-high. The Q3 already delivered solid focus accuracy, but the Q4 might take things to a new level. Rumors suggest Leica will enhance subject detection and tracking, integrating smarter algorithms that recognize eyes, faces, and even animals with greater reliability. Predictive autofocus could also make its way into the Q4, allowing the camera to anticipate movement and maintain sharp focus even when subjects dart in and out of the frame. For street photographers chasing decisive moments or wildlife shooters following unpredictable subjects, that kind of improvement could mean fewer missed opportunities and smoother, more confident shooting. Leica's philosophy has always been about precision over pure speed, but with the Q4, it seems they're aiming to deliver both, keeping autofocus fast, intuitive, and uncompromisingly accurate. Beyond stills, the Leica Q4 could become a far more capable hybrid tool. With today's creators demanding cameras that handle both photography and videography with ease, Leica may be preparing to push its video capabilities much further. Speculation points to 4K recording at higher frame rates, perhaps up to 120 frames per second, and even 8K video around 30 frames per second. These additions would open up more creative flexibility for videographers, whether for silky slow-motion sequences or crisp high-resolution footage. The company is likely to emphasize clean color science and natural tones rather than oversaturated digital looks, staying true to Leica's heritage of visual authenticity. Improved thermal management could also ensure the Q4 handles long recording sessions without overheating, a critical factor for professional workflows. Visual clarity is equally important on the viewing side, and the Q4 might deliver major upgrades to both its electronic viewfinder and rear display. A new EVF with approximately 9.44 million dots could offer an incredibly sharp, lifelike preview experience, allowing photographers to see their images with striking realism before even pressing the shutter. On the back, a fully articulating touchscreen may replace the tilting display of the Q3, providing much more flexibility for creative angles, vlogging, and low or high perspective shots. Enhanced touchscreen sensitivity could also make menu navigation and focus point selection feel faster and smoother, key improvements for modern usability. Whether you're shooting landscapes from ground level or capturing content on the go, the redesigned interface might make the Q4 one of the most user-friendly cameras Leica has ever produced. Stabilization is another aspect that may see impressive refinement. Reports hint at up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, which would be a substantial boost over previous models. That level of stability could make handheld shooting in low light far more viable, reducing the need for tripods and allowing more spontaneous creativity. Combined with Leica's famously sharp optics, the results could be breathtakingly crisp, even at slower shutter speeds. Ergonomically, subtle design tweaks are also expected. Perhaps a slightly refined grip for better comfort, repositioned buttons for easier access, and maybe even a marginally lighter body. Leica's cameras are known for their premium build quality, and the Q4 is likely to continue this tradition with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis, designed to handle the rigors of professional and travel photography alike. As for the lens, the hallmark 28mm CMOS f/1.7 is almost certain to return, and that's a good thing. It's a legendary optic renowned for its sharpness, beautiful rendering, and low-light capability. However, Leica might fine-tune it with new coatings or optical adjustments to minimize flare and enhance contrast. Even small refinements could make a noticeable difference, especially when paired with a high-resolution sensor. The combination of a 64MP stack sensor and that iconic lens could produce some of the most detailed and lifelike images ever seen from a compact camera. It's that perfect blend of optical artistry and modern engineering that continues to make the Q series so beloved among photographers who value both form and function. Connectivity and workflow are increasingly important to today's photographers, and the Q4 may bring meaningful updates here as well. Expect faster wireless transfers, more stable connections, and smoother integration with the Leica Photos app, making it easier to move files to your smartphone or tablet for quick editing and sharing. The user interface could see a refresh, too, with more intuitive touchscreen menus and expanded customization options. Imagine being able to assign key functions exactly where you want them or switching between setups tailored for street, travel, or portrait shooting, all with minimal menu diving. These small, thoughtful details can greatly enhance the user experience, especially for those who use their camera daily. Timing is another point of intrigue. Leica has typically followed a 4-year release rhythm, but there's growing speculation that the Q4 could break that pattern and arrive earlier, potentially in early 2026. If true, that would mean Leica is accelerating its innovation cycle to keep pace with the rapidly evolving camera landscape. In terms of price, it's expected to be positioned above the Q3, which launched around $5,995. Given the rumored advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, and video capabilities, a higher price tag seems almost inevitable, reinforcing the Q4's status as a premium investment for serious photographers. While none of these details are officially confirmed, the picture emerging of the Leica Q4 is exciting. It appears to represent the perfect balance between Leica's timeless craftsmanship and the forward march of digital imaging technology. If even a portion of these expectations hold true, the Q4 could become one of the most desirable compact full-frame cameras ever made. A machine that delivers speed, precision, and elegance in equal measure. Leica's genius has always been its ability to honor tradition while embracing innovation, and the Q4 seems poised to continue that legacy. For photographers and creators alike, this might just be the camera that defines the next chapter in Leica's story journey.